channel. So let's on to the video. Okay. And that cup song card. This is cup song we're gonna teach you in the last. Oh my goodness. We're gonna do cup. We're done. Song. Then we're gonna teach you. We're gonna go to iTunes. Now let's get started. I need to tell you one thing. We're gonna do some cup song. We're done. Then we're gonna teach you. Done. Then we're gonna teach you the song. Oh, this is the song part. Great. So let's start. So many requests that is we do. So we have many manners. We are doing good manners. Watch. So now let's do it. Now we're gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach you first. One, you're gonna do clap of here's one. So when you do that, let's do together. Okay. 4, 5 times. Okay, now we are done doing 5, and it's her turn. Okay, plus to be hand, so to drum in drum beat. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. No, this is a 3 clap. Okay, the next round, you do that, then you clap it, and come on, let's get started. Okay, let's get. So great. Okay, my turn. Oh, and this two that you form, and then one clap and turn hand here and get up, and this way to down way and this way. Okay, let's get started. It's an ice trick. I know this. Don't strike. I know now. So turn that and one. Come. Let's get started. Let's get started. Oh. So let's do it to the top, to the top. To the end. So let's do it. Let's do faster. Two claps. take it out that and. Oh, sorry. You 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops! Oh, you always forgot it. I'm gonna do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I forgot it. We just started. We are ever forgot. Go to the one fast to the top. Top. Okay. Wait a minute. 1 minute. Come back. Okay, now say. Whoa! So scary. Now we're top to the end. We're just gonna teach you that top. Oh. Then next. Okay, that's B. 1, 2, 3. So let's start it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Okay, my turn. This third round. Is that you're gonna one clap and you take it out like this. No. Bakit yung song? Okay. You do like this. Take it out and you chop. This is same. And you're gonna take it out like this. Okay. This is same. And you last one. That's some. Turn back and okay. Turn back and step. No. What? No. Okay. Step 2. Step 2. Then. Okay, let's do that. Let's do this. I forgot it. I'm gonna do one. Yeah. That is that. Oh, I know now. Yeah. I know now. Bye. Thanks for watching. No. Let's do it together. But not problem. Bye. Thanks for watching. Oh, we forgot the phone. The song. No. Okay, because we forgot. No problem. Let's get started. Oh, excuse. We have manners. Come on, let's get started. Okay.